Welcome back to Amafu Technologies YouTube channel. We are still continuing with the DVH100 VideoFlow multi-protocol tool. Right now, we are going to show you the interface of the system. We've connected the cables, the network cables, and now I'm going to use this machine to go into using the management port. That's the IP address, and we are in, and default password and admin. The usual. And we are in. Basically, this is the interface. This is where you do your all the configuration, unit details, and the streams. Once you've set up the streams, they should come up here. The interfaces, where we define which port we're using. The unit has 5 ports plus a management port. So currently we've connected one interface port on port 1. So the first thing that we need to do is to create and give the unit an IP address or add it to our system. To do that, we have to go to add interfaces. That comes up. We are using port 1, and the name can be anything, but we will say Amafu port 1. It's just like that. We have an option to say DHCP. Actually, I'll just say we do that. And gateway priority, because we only have one gateway, we don't need to worry about that now. Then we send that. It has been succeeded, so we should see that it has been added once we refreshed, and we see it, and we can see that it's up. It's got the dynamic IP gateway. Sometimes it will show you the public IP address here, but for now, not necessarily. So just to test that this interface can go to the internet, we can use the system tools, a simple ping test, and we can ping Google DNS, and we are able to go out. So we know at least we are able to go out on the internet on this. Stop that. So now we need to create the streams and test. So it's also it's an easy one. So the way we do it, we use SRT. So we're gonna just show you the stream creation using SRT. New stream, you can use it here or click there, and then you are able to edit. Let's exit, but I like using these icons here because it opens directly the what is this, not granted, new stream. So stream name, again we'll say Amafu SRT7, SRT in SRT in 7. The operation mode, we will dive in deeper on this, but for now, we will select the protector transmitter. Basically, we use this unit as a receiver and a transmitter, and we need to make sure that the stream or the feed is protected. We're just going to leave most of the stuff at default, not change much. As I've mentioned that we are doing SRT, but as you can see, the kind of input streams that you can have, RTP, UDP, or the capture device, which is the deck link that we have on the unit, or you can do file, or you can do your what you call a network stream, your RTMP, but ZigBee as well is supported. But what we are focusing on is SRT. So we SRT, currently only two modes are supported: the caller and listener. Rendezvous, not so much, because this is an enterprise. You want to put it behind firewall, then you do the proper configuration. Rendezvous helps you to bypass the firewalls and all that. I know IT will not like that. So currently we'll just use, let's say, which one do we use? Listener. But this actually, I think a simple one is actually, let's use listener. It's fine. Then we define the port. Let's say port 4545 4551. That's the port we're going to be using. We don't need to define the adapter because this is a test latency. We're going to be testing within the network, so we'll just, let's say, 200. Also, you've got the option to put the passphrase. Basically, it's a password. If you are receiving a stream from someone, they can say, yes, you know the port, but you also need to know the password to receive that stream. For now, we'll just leave it as is. And on this side, this is the now output. We can define, but we can define as well where the stream is going. It can, as you can see, that we can have any kind of input, and also going out. We can choose, but this is just for testing purposes. So I'm just gonna put that IP address. Currently, it's not gonna go anywhere, and let's see. This is just to make sure that the settings are saved. What stream name already in use? Oh, I clicked twice. Sorry. So now we've got the stream created. You can go into and see we've created SRT listener on that port, and but there will be SRT output. Let's say now you're sending it to another location or another broadcaster. You will put the specific details here. I just put here for the testing purposes, as we are focusing more on the input. And all right, and as we were showing you how to configure the stream, we were just doing a quick configuration on our firewall to do the netting and port forwarding to make sure that this device actually receives the stream from external, from public internet or external networks. If you remember, we've set it as listener on that port. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to use my phone to push an SRT stream to the unit. So immediately as it starts, we should be seeing the traffic coming in. Let's show chart, and let's say for the last minute or so, I can see on my phone that it's going out at 3 meg, and probably takes a bit of time to reflect on the charts. There, now we can see, let's do 1 minute. Now we can see it started at 11. So now we can see that the stream is coming. It's coming at about 3 meg or so. Also this one, it should um, start showing that it's coming. There's something coming in. Um, there. Now it's showing that it is receiving, and we can see. Oh wait, we can see the charts. Oh, we didn't enable the real-time monitoring. Yeah, that's why I guess it took a bit of time. And yeah, and now that the stream is coming, we can say, okay, we want to put this on SDI. We can say SDI out. Uh, uh, all right. So now that we've created an SRT out, sorry, an SDI out, or did I call it SRT? Sorry, SDI out. We can select which port you're using, how many SDI channels, and you are able to select the service if you are having multiple service on that stream. And yeah, that's the basic configuration. And thank you.